Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Our today's topic for the class 12th is that is sex chromosomal disorders. What are sex chromosomal disorders? Let's first know. Any imbalance in the copies of sex chromosomes. You might have seen that any imbalance in the copies of the sex chromosomes that may cause disruption in the genetic information necessary for normal sexual development. The sex chromosomes include, there are various types of sex chromosomes. We have to explain only two types of important types of sex chromosomes, that are number one, Klinefelter syndrome. There is Klinefelter syndrome. Chromosomal composition in case of Klinefelter syndrome, you might have seen normal genotype is, that is, normally human beings have, that's 46 diploid number of chromosomes, that is 46. So any deviation in case of these sex chromosomes other than autosomes may result in disruption in the information of the sexual characters or development. For example, you might have seen in chemical composition, you will see that the first is twice autosomes plus XXY or XXXY. There is extra chromosome, that is 47 or 42 copies extra. This syndrome is called Klinefelter syndrome, and the sexual differentiation, that's organism is male. And the second is, that is twice autosomes plus XXX or XXY. Chromosome number is 47 or 48, and these are super females. They are called super females, and the fact sexual differentiation, that is a female. And the third one, that is an important, that is the only monosomic viosomy in human beings. That's just monosomy viable in the human beings. That is twice autosomes plus XO. That's the chromosome number is only 45, one less than the diploid number, and the effect is, that is Turner syndrome, and sexual differentiation is female. Now, the first, that's Klinefelter syndrome. Let's first discuss Klinefelter syndrome. This syndrome was first of all seen by or described by the Klinefelter, that's why it's called Klinefelter syndrome. The individual with this syndrome are sterile males. They are sterile males. They are sterile males. Sterile males. The symptoms of this Klinefelter syndrome are the normal composition of the genotype in the Klinefelter syndrome is, that's twice autosomes plus XXY or XYY or XXXY. You might have seen in the earlier that it is XXY or XXY or XXXY. The condition is. Then the symptoms include, that is, they are Klinefelter syndromic individuals, or they are sterile males. They have normal masculine development, but they are sterile males. Underdevelopment of the testes and male reproductive system. And the development of the testes and the male reproductive system. They are tall statured, development of breasts, that is leucomastism is found in, that's female-like characters are found inside the individuals with Klinefelter syndrome. And another effect is that is female voice. They have developed the female voice. They look like male. Normally they are males, but the every individual development at the sexual level is that they are sterile. Their testes are underdeveloped. Their reproductive system is underdeveloped. They are sterile. They produce less number of sperms. That means they have sexual problems, different types of male sexual problems. And sexual is mostly tail. The breasts, development of breasts is there. Female like voice is there. They have show the characters of the between the male and the female. The female like characters, but normally genotype is they are males, but sterile males. Okay.